Riwruok Jofwambo mar KUJ kod mano bende mar Kenya Media Sector Working Group opuoyo rowere mag Gen Z kuom ng'anyo ma gisebedo godo ka gibage pachoka kendo singo miyo gi thuolo mar chwalo pachi kod ng'ur margi kaka achiel kuom yore mag chwalo lokruok kod chenro mag dongruok e pachoka. Kindego gipuoyo jatend piny Kenya William Ruto kuom okang' mano mar wito oko paro mar chiko omenda 2024-2025. Kagilose magawa moro e boma ma Nairobi, giwacho ni rawere osewacho kuom gigo machando pachgi kendo mahinyo ganda jo Kenya kaka nok mag tije kod ageng'a e yudo chenro mopogore opogore mag piny owacho.
Kenyans led by Gen Z have highlighted a wide range of concerns from economic hardship and youth unemployment to educational challenges and the need for good governance. The Kenya Media Sector Working Group recognizes the frustrations felt by young Kenyans, such as unemployment, bureaucratic hurdles in accessing critical public services such as ID cards, passports, and higher education loan board funding, the difficult environment of doing business, among others.
The Kenya Media Sector Working Group stands ready to facilitate genuine and transparent engagement on the key issues already put on the table. Open dialogue is essential for finding solutions, and the media will play a crucial role in fostering this exchange. We will shortly announce a comprehensive plan to develop a platform where Kenyans, including Gen Zs, will engage on critical issues affecting the nation. We are committed to working with Gen Z, the government, and all Kenyans to ensure our media continues to be a credible source of information, a platform for diverse voices, and a force for positive societal change.